Hello everyone, Amanda here from Creative Pouring. Okay, so I've just done this little 8x10 card with an idea that I've got off Etsy. You can see that in my previous video. So I am now going to try and do a well, where have I just put that? I've just thrown it away. I had it in my hand. Oh well. I kept the description so I could tell you what it was. Oh well. It is, so I've got another one, a 30 centimetre round canvas by Hobbycraft, which I got on sale. There you go. And so this time I have some navy here. I don't know if you can see. Let me just change the. Anyway, it's navy, which I made myself. It's mixed with Floetrol, and I've made this quite thin or thinner. That's going to be my base, and I've got a little bit of that there with silicone in it. I've got some Pebeo iridescent orange mixed with Pebeo iridescent copper, which is that there. That will have silicone in a minute. Silicone in it. This is a bit of turquoise I made with Floetrol. This is a Pebeo. It was a pearl white anyway, and it's mixed with a bit of Sennelier pearl white because I didn't have enough. That's got silicone in it. This is Pebeo iridescent gold. Mixed. These are all mixed with my Floetrol mix. Okay, so I'm going to do the same as that, but on a navy background with those three colours. There you go. Right then, let's give it a go. I'll put you up on the tripod, bear with me. Okay, hi, so I'm back. Right, so I've put this navy layer down. I don't think you'd want to see that. And I've covered the sides, so that should be done. Okay, so I think because it's a dark background, I'm going to have a lighter centre, so I'm going to put some pearl in the middle. Let's just go for it. Just a little drop of pearl in the middle. And then I'm going to do on the outside. This is the turquoise. And then we're going to have a bit of the, oh, I haven't put any silicone in this, bear with me. I'm going to put 3 drops of silicone in there. Give that a good stir. Let's see, yeah, okay, that's good. Good to go. Let's put that all across that lovely turquoise. A bit more. Ooh, just a bit. And then I'm going to put some lovely gold around the outside. Okay, now then, and my trusty swipes. Right, the first I'm just going to do some little ones first. Just get some out there. Ooh. Getting right through. Okay, so I think this one's going to have to be, let's just make that a little bit bigger, just to get rid of that. just going to tip that white a little bit more so it's in the back in the middle. There you go. That was a bit deep. Right, let's just stop a little bit because I'm getting a bit haphazard. Let's just be a bit more considered about what you're doing, Amanda. A bit more considered, I think, is the cry. Blowing out a bit. Dunk that in my bit more turquoise going through there. Well, sorry I'm not speaking a minute, I'm just concentrating on what, instead of being a bit haphazard, I want to try and concentrate a little bit more on what I'm doing. I want to try and keep the negative space. I don't want to cover it all with the gold. You see? Show. A bit more dark there, just covering up that canvassy bit, that's a bit like that bit there, just covering it up a little bit. Now, do I leave it or do I do a little bit more? What do you reckon? I reckon I'm going to leave it. I don't think that's much different. Do a couple. Okay, right, for my first attempt, that is going to be that. Et voila. Okay, like it. Right, so I'm going to just check my edges and then I'm going to bring you down. Bear with me, because you know what I like about this? There's hardly any waste of paint and you don't use a lot, and you still get some great effects. So I'm really liking this technique. I don't think I like these gold dots in there anymore. I'm going to cover those up. Yeah, keep that white, pearly white in the middle. Don't think I like those. Now I've put them in. Oh no, come on. Oh, you dopey bimbo. What's she doing, honestly? Okay. That's fine. Just put that off there. And then just put the ball of paint there. That's fine, and that will just self-level. There you go. There you go. Voila. I haven't even torched. Let's just do a quick over the top. I don't think it needs it, but I'll let that go. Well, there you go. So this looks black, but it's actually navy, so it might dry a little bit different. But I think I'm going to leave it. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I shall just wash my hands and bring it down. Okay, hope you liked it. Okay, there you go. So that's the nice pearl white centre with the turquoise, copper iridescent and the gold going over that dark navy background. Really love these, the way that's sailed up, it's beautiful. I'm really chuffed with this. I might have another go. I might do a reverse one. Well, these are looking really, really pretty. Really love that. I might go again. Whoa! See, once you get something that you really like, I just love the way that these cells are spreading. I haven't done anything to it and only very lightly torched. Anyway, I hope you like that one. I love it. Love, 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 as they say. Okay, so if you enjoyed that, please subscribe and don't forget, all my artists for sale. I haven't sold one yet. Oh no, tell a lie, I've sold one to my niece's friend Gemma. Thanks, Gemma. Okay, so yes, please message me or leave a comment to let me get in contact with you at very reasonable rates. Yeah, right. Okay, well, enjoy your day. That's me, Amanda, over and out. Hello everyone, I thought I'd just show you the almost dry results of that last pour. This navy has dried really dark. I don't know if I when I varnish it it'll come back a bit navy, but it is still, it looks virtually black, but it's dried beautiful. I just love these cells, are just so gorgeous. I'm really chuffed with these. I'm going to do some more of these until I get fed up, and all the different combinations, colour combinations got going through my head. There's little Honey having a little rest, look. Oh, bless her. Where's the other one? Maybe around somewhere. Anyway, really, I'm so happy with these. Look at those gorgeous colours and cells. So I thought I'd just show you it. I mean, it's a little bit weird on the edges. I might, oh, that's a pin dropped out. I might just paint over those again just to make sure that that's nice and covered on the sides. But loving the effect, loving the colours, loving those metallics. Okay, I've got my mojo back on. I'm going to do some more. Okay, I hope you're all well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.